Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and let's start today's educational video. In today's video, I'm going to share my personal view regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty futures, especially in the short term. Now, first, I would like to share with you my personal view regarding Nifty futures. And on the left hand side, I have the hourly chart, and on the right hand side, I have the daily chart. In terms of trend, in my previous educational video, weekly sectoral analysis, I had shared that there is a possibility that the overall momentum could slow down as a market was looking slightly overbought. And after that, you have seen market has done nothing much, especially if you see since yesterday, Nifty futures have made a high of 17,945 and on the low side, they have made a low of today 17,665. So Nifty futures have been pretty much range bound, and in terms of state of trend in the daily chart, in the medium term, the trend is completely flat right now. You can see RSI is also going slightly sideways or on the downside, and in the hourly charts you can see that the trend is down right now. Now if you check the candles on the daily chart, I would just like to zoom out a little bit and share with you these candles. The first candle over here is a hammer. The second candle is an inverted hammer. So you can see a lot of confusion between bulls and the bears. Bulls are trying to pull the market higher. Bears are trying to push the market lower. And this is happening due to two different gaps. If you check the hourly chart, you will understand in a much better way, I believe. Check this particular gap, right? You can see there was a gap down on this particular day. After that, we had a gap up and this gap was filled. Once this gap was filled, again we had a sell-off. Why we had a sell-off? The reason for that was it wanted to fill this gap. So basically, if you see in the hourly chart, in the shorter term time frame, overall trend is completely flat. You can see this is the highest high over here, right? This is the highest high at this point, and this was the recent low, right? And what have we done? We are in between that. Now, I believe if market starts trading above this particular high, 17,950, 17,960, 965, then possibly there will be some hint that possibly bulls are trying to win the battle back. And one of the biggest reason is this trend line support on the daily chart, if you see, which is holding on since 20th June 2022. And this has provided support to the Nifty futures in a pretty nice way since last few months. So until and unless I believe this particular level is not broken, you can see this support band which I have shown over here. This is around 17,614 to 17,600. So until and unless this level is not broken, because this is also a support in the hourly chart, and both the supports in the daily chart and in the hourly chart both are coming together, and the importance of that particular support level is increasing. So I believe till the time Nifty futures are trading above 17,600, we are pretty much okay, we are safe. But once we see some sort of red candles forming below these 17,600 levels, and especially if it closes below that, then probably some sort of sell off, some sort of short-term correction or a consolidation will continue. And on the upside, as I've told you, that we'll need to surpass this particular high to at least input some sort of positivity in the minds of bullish traders. And final, I think so, level to be taken off will be the recent high, which is somewhere around, I believe, 18,100 or 18,120. Once that is taken off, I think entire game will change. Now let's have a look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I believe, is a little bit more different than Nifty in terms of state of trend. The first thing which I can literally see is that these four candles, in fact, not just four candles, 5 candles have all been of a small real body. The first candle which was made over here, all right, is on 15th of September. It is a shooting star. Then we have a candle which is a high wave candle. This is again a high wave candle. This is a spinning top, and this is again a high wave candle. Guys, generally high wave candles come at a time when market is at a resistance or market is pretty much overstretched. That is the meaning of high wave candles. And generally high wave candles do not form a lot of high wave candles together. Maybe one, maybe max. In fact, I have not seen more than one high wave candle in my trading life. I mean, one high wave candle happens, then other candles start forming. So this is pretty surprising. So this is a sign that possibly market is a little bit overstretched. I'm talking about Bank Nifty futures. And one more thing, if you check properly, we have a higher high over here in terms of price, but RSI is showing us a lower high. So we have a high wave candle and a negative divergence on the price in Bank Nifty futures. But good thing is that this particular support is holding on, which is around 40,937, 40,930 in Bank Nifty futures. Now, if you check Bank Nifty futures in the hourly chart, the trend is flat. In Nifty futures, the trend was down, but in Bank Nifty futures, the trend is completely flat right now. First, we'll talk about the level or the band where things will change for better for the bullish traders. And for that, I believe not just a bullish move, but it has to come very fast and it has to break the high of this particular RSI and it has to close above 41,850. It's not going to be easy. But if it happens with a pretty big green candle, I think things will improve. But on the downside, I believe Bank Nifty futures should continuously try to trade above and stay above, you can say 40,940, 40,900 levels. This particular 40 bands, 40 points band is an important support in the short term for Bank Nifty. If you check 15-minute chart, the trend is completely flat. The trend is currently flat, so we are not in danger. But if tomorrow, if we close below this particular band, then 40,930 or 40,900, then it could be a little bit of a problem. All right. And I believe a closing below 40,900 could lead to a little bit lower levels. I'm not talking about a big crash or something, but yes, some sort of selling pressure would be seen on the chart. And generally speaking, what happens is after a high wave candle, if there is a big red candle or something like that, then it establishes the control of bears over the bulls. Will this happen or it will not happen? I think only price will tell us. There is no point in predicting the markets, right? And all of you know that I am a reactive trader. So I think we'll need to wait and watch what's going to happen in the markets in next couple of days. And then accordingly, we'll understand. All right. So I hope this particular video has helped you to understand better how markets will move in the next few days and trade wisely, trade less, stay safe. Thank you.